Hi, I'm Alfie and I'm doing my grade 1 drum kit exam.
This is Alfie Guy doing grade 1.
Thanks, Connie. Hi, Alfie. How are you?
Good.
Very good. Come and have a seat at the drums. Make yourself comfortable. Feel free to adjust anything that you'd like to. Make the kit just right for you. All right. Whenever you're ready. Thank you very much. We'll now go on to do the technical work. Which exercise have you prepared to play for me, Alfie? Of course, whenever you're ready. Thank you very much. Could you play exercise 3 for me, please? Alfie, thanks ever so much. Would you now play for me your final piece, please? Thanks, Alfie. We'll now do some sight reading. Would you have a little look at exercise number 2, please? Feel free to have a practice at the drums, and I'll tell you when I'd like to hear it for real. Thanks, Alfie. Let's do the unpitched aural tests. Would you like to stand over here, facing the drums, please? I'll just grab the sight reading book. So, I'll give you a pulse, and then play a short passage on the snare drum twice. After the second playing, I'd like you to tell me a time signature, please. I'll have 6 clicks, and then I'll play the example. So Alfie, the last part of the exam is the play-along test. I'm going to play a short piece on the piano. I'd like you to listen first time and play along second time after I count you in. It's a straight 8 feel that I'm after. Here's the first time. Okay? Yeah. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks very much, and that's the end of the exam.
Alfie, how did it go?
Really well.
Did you enjoy it? Excellent.